Installing Mcart 4.0 on the AIT SMT6 control panel. In your Web Account Manager, select the appropriate account. In the options available, select Applications. Of the available one-click installs, select Mcart 4.0. In the Mcart Application Management panel, select New Mcart Installation. Next, select the domain name where you want to install Mcart 4.0. If you want to install it in a specific directory, fill that out in the Install in Directory field. Fill out a secure username and password in the appropriate fields. For Mcart version, select the appropriate version depending on your payment gateway. Next, click Install Mcart. You'll be prompted with a confirmation screen. Once you've confirmed that the information is correct, click Confirm and install Mcart. Next, you'll see a screen showing you the installation process. Please wait for this screen to finish. Once the screen is completed, your Mcart 4.0 is fully installed and ready to be viewed and customized. For more information, visit www.ait.com.